So what's going on, everybody? So I'm actually running late to work and sucks. So I really need to hurry me get going. I'm running behind. I need to make it to the other side of town. This is ridiculous. Man, overslept. I think I got home so late, y'all saw in the other vlog. But yeah. So I gotta try to hurry up. We're now letting the Z warm up. Yeah. Also, before you even start this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and turn on your notification. I'm just like, hello. So, alright everybody, let's get started. But make sure you hit the like button before we start this video. Make sure, right down there, just thumbs up. Alright, so I don't have time to stop by and grab me like something full to eat. So I'm gonna grab me a protein bar, 20 grams, and a cup of coffee. I need it, yes. Yeah, so let's hit the road. Let's get out of here. I wish this was avoidable. No, stop getting dirty on me. Look at all that. It's dirty. So dirty. I'm gonna get her a car wash. Got up this morning, now I'm making my way. I'm actually 40 is this way. I thought 40 was back up. Anyways, I'm like 2 hours out from my sister. What a drive. So far, I haven't got any race. So yeah, passed the Challenger and a Camaro. No fun. Everybody wants to drive normal. What's the craziest thing about this is like it's hard to drive this car without trying to have so much fun. Like, I cannot just drive it just to drive it normal. Like, basically not speed or race. Like, it's hard. It's a lot harder than what people would really think. Sporty. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of perks to it. I bet, like, my buddy of mine has a Challenger. He says he doesn't race or speed.
I know they like this. Everyday party until the end of the summer. I probably have my feet up with a drink, smoke weed with all my brothers. Don't worry about a thing, I got it covered. Laced up.
Finally made it to SFA. Finally. I'm just sitting out here waiting on my sister. Man, I'm so tired. Alright, so for some of y'all guys out there, I know it's hard, especially when it comes to building cars. It is fun to get started on it, but hey, look, I'm not rich. I do have my daily life. I do work, and gotta make a living. And there's times where I will actually start investing some of my money into what I want to get next. I mean, there's times like I want to get something big, but no, you have to wait. So, what kind of makes it hard, and also my wife loves to travel. So, other than that, hey, I always say, instead of trying to get all of this stuff done at once, it makes it better because you can sit here and like do small things at a time and feel rewarding of your project that you've done, and look at it as like, oh, when I first got it to look at it now, like you come a long way instead of trying to do it all at once. But yeah, struggles real out here, Gotta live your day-to-day life. You gotta work, gotta pay bills. So yeah, for some of y'all out there that's struggling and want to be able to get so far and achieve a lot of goals, it takes time, but you gotta make goals for the year to get started. But yes, I'm sitting here waiting, and I want to go eat. I am very hungry. I have to just bored and just stretch my legs. I don't know if I'm on the right side. That's the hard part. I'd rather be on the right side than trying to get out and drive around. I did get stuck in a freaking garage, which it dipped down too damn low. Alright, but enough of my boring talk. I'm ready to hit this road again before the storm gets into Fort Worth area.
What it is, cracking jokes on each other, what gives? Don't be falling through, I know you think about giving it.
You know what sucks? I'm over here. I gotta stop by another damn gas station to put gas in my car. It's like Valero's. Freaking sucks. And then my sister and I are going to hit up Taco Bell. We're really hungry, and then we still got 2 hours to go. Get back. Yeah. Well, that got her to where we need right now until we get to Dallas or Fort Worth. So yeah.
Cracking jokes on each other, what gives? Don't be falling through, I know you think about giving in. I got the trees blowing in the wind with the clouds blowing over sunny days. Where you been? No one left to talk to, I been really at a last for you. Let you decide, let me know what you wanna do.
Tired. Been up since 7 a.m. Didn't go to bed till like 1. Just trying to get everything ready. That was a long drive. 3 hours, man. It may seem like it's not long, but screw that, man. It's way too long. I'm glad I got it done and over with. Alright, I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. I really hope y'all enjoy the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Wait, there's more.